Have you ever wondered how some people seem to squeeze more out of their day? They're not wizards manipulating time, they've simply mastered the art of productivity. Now it's your turn to unlock these secrets and supercharge your daily routines. Productivity is more than merely doing more in less time, it's about working smarter, not harder. Envision it as a well-oiled machine, efficiently delivering maximum output with minimal input. To truly harness productivity, one must delve into the intricate workings of the brain, your command center for efficiency. The prefrontal cortex, akin to a CEO, is responsible for decision-making, focus, and goal setting. Meanwhile, the limbic system, home to your emotions and motivations, can either fuel productivity or become a hindrance if left unchecked. Yes, everyone can become highly productive. It's a skill you can learn and refine over time. However, be wary of the multitasking myth. It may seem like a productivity booster, but in reality, it splits your focus and dilutes the quality of your work. Maintaining motivation may seem daunting, but setting clear goals, breaking tasks into manageable chunks, and celebrating small victories can help keep the momentum going. Let's delve into the pillars of productivity. These guiding principles will be your roadmap to becoming a productivity maestro. Firstly, prioritization. Remember, not all tasks are created equal. Identifying the most critical and pressing tasks and tackling them first is the essence of prioritization. It's about sorting your to-do list by significance, ensuring your energy is laser-focused on what truly matters. Secondly, time management. Time, a finite resource, must be managed effectively. This involves setting clear goals, allocating time for specific tasks, and eliminating time-wasting activities. The objective is to ensure every second counts. Lastly, focus and concentration. To produce quality work, you must cultivate the ability to concentrate on a single task for an extended period. This means eliminating distractions and training your brain to stay on task, a skill that pays dividends in the long run. Mastering productivity is an art, a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, consistent improvements over time. And remember, productivity isn't about being busy, it's about being effective. So, ready to supercharge your day for success?